Make a homemade mouse trap using only one plastic bottle. To build this trap, you will need an empty plastic bottle, thin wooden sticks, elastic bands, resistant thread, paper clips, and of course, an irresistible saw, like peanuts. Start by cutting the plastic bottle in half, but do not cut it completely. Carefully use a sharp knife to make this cut. Leave a piece intact so that it works like a kind of door. With a hot welder, make 2 holes on one side of the bottle, large enough for the wooden sticks to pass through. Insert a wooden stick into one of the holes and go through the bottle so that it protrudes on the other side. Do the same on the other end of the bottle. Now place elastic bands on both sides of the bottle, connecting the wooden sticks. This will provide the necessary tension to close the trap when activated. To make sure the trap works properly, check the flexibility of the sticks and the elastic bands. They should allow the door to close quickly when activated. Then, with the hot welder, make a hole in the bottom of the bottle. Make sure the hole is large enough to pass the thread through. Take the thread and tie it around the mouth of the bottle, making several knots to secure it firmly. Leave one end of the thread longer so that you can manipulate it easily. Make a slip knot at the long end of the thread. This knot will allow you to adjust the trap as needed. Now take a piece of paper and fold it to form a small hook. This hook will be used to hold the SIBO, which will be a peanut in this case. Insert the end of the clip through the hole you made at the bottom of the bottle. Then take the long end of the thread and tie it to the clip hook inside the bottle. Make sure it is secured correctly so that it does not fall easily. And that's it. Your homemade mouse trap is ready to use. When the mouse enters and takes the peanut, the clip will automatically release, quickly closing the bottle and catching the unwanted intruder. It is a simple and effective solution to keep your home free of rodents. If you made it this far, leave mouse emojis so that Asio knows you saw the full video.